Yo, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you, you wanna buy an investment deal. What leads do you market to? Who are they? What do you say to them? How do you find them? Who are these people? What is a lead? And I'm gonna get into that. I'm gonna share with you exactly how to do it, exactly how to find it so you can go out there and get your first or your next investment deal under contract. My name is Rob Lufe, and I help people find those invisible deals in tiny markets and make massive profits buying investment properties, buying and flipping investment properties. Now, in this video, I got a comment from one of my subscribers, so thank you guys very much. If you like this, like and comment, subscribe, and I will make videos on whatever you tell me. So he said, hey Raul, can you make a video about what leads do I market to? What do I say? Who are these leads? That sort of question. And now it can be really frustrating when you don't know what to do with leads, where to find them, because this whole business of wholesaling real estate or finding deals, finding properties, off-market properties to invest and flip houses, a big chunk of it is about lead generation, finding leads, people who are looking to sell. Now it's frustrating when you don't know what to do because then you can spin your tires and try to find properties in the wrong places or spend money in the wrong things or your time in the wrong things. And then you never really get that property, you get those properties and make the money you want to make, and that shit sucks. So let's skip all that nonsense and let's go into the nitty gritty, right? We're gonna pass the learning curve, we're gonna shortcut it for you in this video. Let's start with what is a lead. A lead is, in real estate, in wholesaling real estate or flipping houses, a lead is a homeowner who is looking to sell their property that actually has a reason to sell their property, not just, hey, I just want an offer. They actually have a reason to sell. A lead for us is someone who wants 80% of Zillow value or less. And a lead for us is that the house has to need repairs. So if it fits 2 out of those 3 criteria, let me repeat it one more time. 1, the homeowner has to have a real reason to sell the property. I'm selling because I'm moving to Georgia. My house is in Florida, I'm moving to Georgia. I'm selling because I inherited it. I'm selling because I can't afford it anymore, etc. So that's 1. It has to fit 2 out of 3, that's 1. 2, the house has to need repairs, okay? So if the house needs repairs, that could be it. 3, the homeowner has to want 80% of Zillow value or less. So if the house is on Zillow, the Zestimate is 200,000, we want the homeowner typically to want 160 or less, okay? That's not like a super set in stone rule, but we're just trying to avoid all the people that want retail value, kick them out so we can focus our time on the people who are actually looking to sell at a discounted price. So if it fits 2 out of those 3, that is what is a lead. Now, who are these people? Who are leads? So in this scenario, I would invite you to pause this video really quick and get a piece of paper and write down 10 things of what you think a lead would be in this game, in this industry. What do you think? Why do you think somebody would want to sell their house quickly for cash as is, especially in a smoking hot market like now? Pause this video for 20 seconds, write down 3 to 5 things, maybe 10 things of what you think it would be. Now, once you're done with that, I'm gonna share with you what some of them are, and I'm gonna give you real life reasons and examples based on our deals. So here's a story of one of the biggest deals we've done this year. And we do deals all nationwide. We basically flip properties from home in invisible markets and make huge profits, but that's a different story for a different day. So we did our marketing. We found a homeowner who was looking to sell, okay? We do different types of marketing such as Google, texting, cold call, direct mail. It really all depends, okay? But so we did our marketing, we blasted it out there, and we got this homeowner, and they had a house in Washington State. And we're in Miami. I've never been to Washington State or anything, but we market across the country. We're in about 29 states. And the reason I tell you this is you don't need to know the market that well. Learn the market. We've done so many deals in markets. I have no clue anything, right? Now, if you're gonna go buy investment properties and keep them as rentals, yeah, then absolutely go and learn that market. But if you're just wholesaling properties or flipping properties quickly, you don't really need to know it that much. Well, anyways, we did the marketing, and the seller lead came in of a home they owned in Washington that was vacant, okay? They inherited this property. What does inherited mean? Inherited means that someone in their family unfortunately passed away and handed down the property, left them the property on a will, on a trust, or whatever it is in that state. You could ask your attorney or Google it to find out exactly what inheritance means. Basically, it's a passed down property. They didn't want the property, the house needed repairs, they couldn't afford it, they couldn't afford to keep it, and they couldn't afford to make repairs. And they really just wanted the cash and get out to do something different. So that is a lead, that is a seller lead. We ended up getting under contract, and we ended up making $50,000 on what we call an assignment fee on a flip. So, we bought it and we made $50,000 all within a few weeks, and we never had to put any of our own cash or own credit. So it's pretty cool. Well, that's an example of what is a lead, how we marketed to them, how we found them. The next point is, okay, who are these people, right, Raul, right? This is just someone who's in distress, someone who has a financial hardship, someone who really wants to sell. And if you really wanted to break it down, it's just someone who doesn't want to go through the real estate realtor process, okay? And there is a ton of people that don't want to do that. It's crazy. It blows my mind every day. And in our script, in our sales process, when we're talking to these homeowners to purchase their homes over the phone, we simply ask them, hey, Mr. Seller, this is a nice house. Why aren't you listing this with an agent? And you'll hear all sorts of reasons like, hey, I'm not listing it with an agent because, I don't want to pay commissions. I don't want to put the repairs in. I don't want to pay closing costs. I don't want people coming into my house. I don't want to have to put away my dogs when they show the house, and that's annoying. I want to know what is my exact price and my exact closing date. Oh, I can't afford to wait that long. There's so many reasons. So those are your leads. Those are your clients. That is the people that you look for. So typically, when you want to start a marketing campaign, start with who is your client. And we just said it. It's someone that's in distress, financial hardship, that has any of those things. You can rewind and watch it. Write it on a paper and ask yourself, where do these people hang out? Okay, where do these people look online? What are these people Googling? Where is the neighborhoods that these people live in? Where do they go to in their free time? Where do they work? How much money do they make? How old are they? And this is not to basically be any stereotype or generalization, but you just ask yourself these questions so you become a smart marketer, and then you can target your advertising and your marketing dollars to the right people. It's like selling a tampon to a guy, okay? Don't sell a tampon to a dude, okay? So I want to end it with that beautiful quote right there. And again, I appreciate you guys watching this. If you like what you see, please share it to a friend. Maybe someone that's getting into flipping houses that doesn't know what to do. Please share with this video or my channel. I post a ton of these videos every week so I can help you guys get your next deal or your first deal and absolutely crush it, buy rentals in the process, build massive, massive, massive wealth. Do not wait to get into the game. That is the one thing I'll leave you with. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.